My name is Ali Brian, and I am an associate professor at the University of South Carolina. My areas of expertise include motor behavior, adapted physical education, and adapted physical activity of children with and without disabilities. As you may or may not know, today's children, regardless of age, gender, ethnicity, location, socioeconomic status, and whether or not they experience a disability, are struggling with their motor skills. It's important now, more than ever, that we help today's children learn their motor skills. So here are a few suggestions. As much as possible, enable and support your children being able to be physically active for at least 60 minutes a day. Preferably, I would like children to be active at least 2 hours a day, with no more than 2 hours of consecutive sedentary time. That being said, during coronavirus, with more and more children experiencing online or virtual learning, this is going to be difficult. But to the best of your ability, please limit screen time. Try not to allow your children to be on their screens more than 20 to 30 minutes in a row. Give lots of breaks. 10 minutes here or there of break time will make a lot of difference. During activity time, try to encourage playing with sport equipment such as playground balls, jump ropes, soccer balls, etc. When doing so, I recommend, as much as possible, during a skill like catching or hitting a ball, try to get the child to reach or move to the ball. This will help them pick the object out of space and learn how to track it. As much as possible, also try to encourage oppositional movement. So for example, when throwing a ball, try to get them to step with the foot opposite of the hand with which they would throw. This may be difficult for some kids or harder for some than others. In this instance, and actually for all kids, work on achieving outcomes like throwing further, faster, or more accurately. Try to work on activities that encourage crossing the midline. Crossing the midline may be harder for some kids than others, but crossing the midline helps push the brain in exciting ways that supports positive health trajectories. During COVID, it is more important now than ever that we encourage and support children to be active and learn their motor skills. During non-COVID times, our children struggle to be active and have difficulties with their motor skills. That being said, be on the lookout for what schools are doing regarding physical education and adapted PE. It's not okay for schools to cancel physical education or take away adapted PE services for which children are qualified. We're not exactly sure how COVID will affect motor development, but increased screen time and less opportunities to be active will certainly result with lower levels of physical activity and fewer opportunities to learn motor skills. So please take advantage of safe outdoor spaces like parks if you can. Regardless, be safe, socially distance, and try to wear a mask if you or your children will be near others.